Okay guys, John from Dragonfly here. This is just going to be a quick video demonstrating something that I was trying to show in a video about cleaning up a Windows hard drive. It wasn't as effective as I wanted it to be, so now I have a perfect scenario to show you. So let's take a look here. This is a brand new laptop. This laptop is not in service yet. I'm literally just setting it up from scratch. And look what we have. We have a hard drive that's already almost half used. I mean, you know, we're a few gigs away from using up half the hard drive space. Okay, I mean the recovery partition. Don't worry about that. That's something you can't touch. That's just reserved space that allows you to set the machine back to factory default. So you just leave that the way it is. But we're talking about the C drive here. Okay, and you can see you're using way more space. I mean, we haven't even done a single thing with this machine yet. It's brand new. Okay. So here we go. We're going to run the system cleanup tool that I demonstrated in another video. If you didn't see it, then just, you know, I'll link it to the description. But basically what you're doing here is you right click on the C drive, you go to properties, you click on disk cleanup, and then you'll get another, I guess I'm going to have to do it from scratch. You click on disk cleanup, and then you click on cleanup system files. So I'm sorry I'm using a camera for this. Normally I'd be using screen capture software, but I don't. This isn't my machine. This is one I'm setting up for a client, so I'm not going to install it on this. So you give this a second to run, and so here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. So these are the cleanup system files, and what do we have here? We have Windows upgrade log files. Don't need those. That's 300 megabytes. Keep scrolling down, and we're going to get to the big one here. Delivery optimization files, get rid of those. We don't need them. That's another gig. But the big one right here, previous Windows installation. So I took this thing out of the box, and I updated Windows, and then rebooted, and then I updated Windows again, and then I updated Windows again, and then I updated Windows again. And bada bing, now we got 30 gigabytes of a previous Windows installation that nothing was ever saved to, that we're never going to roll back to. That is going to permanently eat up all the space on the drive. So that's all we're doing. I mean, you can get rid of this demo content. It's not much, but might as well get rid of it. And there you go. There's 32 gigs of space saved. So I'm going to run the tool. You hit OK, say delete files, and then you get another warning saying, you know, if you delete this, you won't be able to roll back to that previous Windows install. I don't know if I'm going to hang on long enough for that warning to come up, but you just say yes to that. Yep, there it is. So blah blah blah. You can't roll back to your old Windows install. Don't care. Are you sure you want to go through with it? Yes. And there you go. I mean, this could take 20 minutes, so I'm not gonna hang around. But it's gonna free up 30 gigs on this drive. So instead of having 147 free, we're gonna have closer to 180 free, and that's pretty significant when you're talking about a drive that only has 220 total gigs of storage available. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show. Sorry for the crappy quality on this one, but I couldn't install screen capture software in this one. So hope you liked it, and let me know if it was helpful, and check out some of my other videos. Thank you. Bye.